The following portion of Good Day PA is sponsored by WellSpan Health. The holidays are a season of giving in many ways, and for healthcare organizations, the impact of charitable contributions received during this time can be significant. Harvey Green with WellSpan Health is joining us to share how WellSpan puts contributions to work to improve healthcare right here in central Pennsylvania. What makes the holiday season a particularly important time to make charitable contributions to institutions like hospitals?
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Amy. First of all, the holidays, as we all know, is a season of giving. It's a time where we're with our family members, our friends, and it's a time for us to sit down and really think about and reflect about the things that we're grateful for. So what better way to think about our doctors, our caregivers, our nurses, when we think about the excellent health care that they deliver to our region, and to perhaps reflect upon that experience that they had and use it as an opportunity to perhaps give back, whether it's their time, whether it's any talents that they bring to the table. And at the end of the day, if they choose to make a financial contribution, then obviously that's something that will be a great thing to do as well.
I'm sure a lot of folks will have this question, like, do hospital systems like WellSpan really need donations? Because, you do billing, you bill for services, so why donations?
Absolutely. Well, donations are important. We are a not-for-profit hospital, and so anything in the way of any type of surplus or operating margin, we automatically reinvest that back into our system, whether it's to the health and well-being of our employees or to continue to enhance the services that we're providing to the community. So philanthropy and giving for us helps us really enhance our services in the way of innovation, in the way of patients who really can't afford certain aspects of healthcare. For instance, like prescription medications, and folks who really struggle between, okay, do I need to eat today, or am I able to make it to my doctor's appointment so I can do that? And so it's important for us to think about those things as a nonprofit hospital system as we consider philanthropy in this holiday season.
I mean, you mentioned any surplus like going back in. So how are the donations made to WellSpan used?
Absolutely. And so there are a ton of things that we do at WellSpan Health that go above and beyond just providing services. And so things like, helping patients with transportation to actually get to appointments is an important thing. I mentioned earlier about prescriptions. We have the latest and greatest in technology. We have things like robotic surgeries to really minimize patients after they undergo surgery, their recovery time. And so things like that, we have capital projects, there's cancer research funds, there's cancer healing funds, and just funds for patient assistance when, again, they just can't meet the mark when it comes to affording health care.
Good. So what are some ways individuals or families can make these donations?
Sure. Well, WellSpan has 6 foundations, right? And it's easy for folks to get online and visit the wellspan.org website. And then you'll have the option to make a gift. You can choose to make a gift anonymously. You can choose to honor a caregiver. Say, you've been treated by a certain doctor and you wanted to really reflect and honor on that experience. You can give it to a nurse and dedicate it, your gift in that honor. So there's a ton of ways to do it. Obviously, this is end of the year, tax season, but we like to think about healthcare year round. And again, for folks to have the opportunity to reflect upon the experience that they had within our healthcare system and to honor that experience in some way, for us is just vitally important.
Yep. As you said, the season for giving back. So thank you. Good to have you with us here on the show.
Thank you, Amy. Thanks for having me.
You are very welcome. The previous portion of Good Day PA was sponsored by WellSpan Health.